All right, when it starts to get cold, what do we think about it? Snow. So we actually head on out to the ski slopes. This is over in Blue Mountain Resort, Pennsylvania. Don't worry about it. We don't have any of the white stuff on the way, but Arlington still warm at 40 degrees. Dulles 36, Manassas a degree colder, and 32 in Leesburg. Now we do have some areas that have fog, such as Frederick right at the freezing mark, Gaithersburg 35, Rockville 36, Bethesda at 39. And then some of the other areas we're watching right now is Chambersburg, Hagerstown, Martinsburg, as well as a little bit of fog just came into Winchester right now. Everyone's hovering right around that freezing mark. So as far as temperatures go, like I said before, we were in the 50s, then we're in the 30s, and now for the rest of the week, we're going to be in the 40s all throughout the entire week. So we have a little bit of a bump on Wednesday, Thursday. That's when we see a little bit more sun, and then we get back to that 40 mark. So as far as we take a look at really the next day or so, you can see this is Monday morning that we do have a lot of clouds with us, but there's no precipitation in sight, and that's good news. The bad news, that low pressure is really just hanging off the coast right now, and it really just stays there. So as we roll into Tuesday morning, still pretty dry, but that low pressure is still up there, and that's just because there's a high that's blocking it, so it's allowing all the cloud cover to stay here. So it takes something else to knock it out of the way, and that doesn't happen really until Wednesday, when that high pressure comes through and clears us out and also brings a little bit of wind. So for tonight, temperature-wise, what we're looking at is the upper 20s. Here in Hagerstown, 29, Leesburg, 31, Fredericksburg, 33. This is going to be a cold night, right around freezing, a few degrees less. And if we take a look around the airports, we have 42 in Hagerstown, 44 BWI, as well as Dulles, 45 in D.C. Winds are going to be light tomorrow, northwest at about 8 miles an hour. And then temperature-wise, all day tomorrow, low 40s to about mid-40s. Looking at Hagerstown's 42. Let me step back. We have Rockville, Frederick at 43, Romney 41, as well as Petersburg, and 31 over in Oakland. So as we take a look at our 7-day forecast, here's how it shapes up. We're right around 40 degrees your Monday, Tuesday, looking at mostly cloudy skies. And once again, that high pressure moves in on Wednesday, brings us breezy conditions, but that's really when the sun comes out for the first time, and we're in the low 40s. Looks pretty good on Thursday, and then on Friday, clouds come back in. We're watching a small disturbance bringing some evening flurries, and then we clear out in time for a weekend. Temperatures right around 40 degrees, and that's a look at your 7-day forecast.